Good morning, student. In previous chapter, we studied about resources. Different type of resources we studied in the previous chapter. Resources can be divided on the basis of natural, human, and human-made resources. On the basis of the classification of natural resources on the basis of origin, on the basis of renewability, on the basis of development, and on the basis of distribution, we study about the resources. And this second chapter also belong to resources, but we study in this chapter about the natural resources. For example, land, soil, water, and forest, these are the natural resources. And when they become a resource, when they satisfy our needs. So natural resources available on the earth satisfy our needs, like land, water, soil, forest are the basic resources on the earth as a nature gift of a nature. Life is possible on the earth because of the natural resources are available on the earth. They are very important for the economic development for a region of a country. Distribution of different type of resources in the world, it is not uniform. Already we studied in the previous chapter. They are not uniform because some area, especially in natural resource, in some area I got so much natural resource like coal, iron mines, coal mines. Some areas like fertile lands like Ganga Brahmaputra region, Delta region. This is very important. But some area like a Sahara Desert, Thar Desert, Kalahari Desert, they are space populated area and space natural resources are found in this area. Now, some element of the natural resource are river, plant, animal, forest, etc. These are the element of the natural resource. Element as well as the resources we can use here. Say that the most important natural resources are land and soil. Why? Because they provide us food and place to live. So that's why mostly important land and soil are the mostly important resources because of they provide us food and place to live. Now, first land resources. Land resources is cover about 30% of the total area of the earth's surface. Suppose this is earth, at least 30% area, this one. This area covered by land. Due to variation of topographic, all part of land are not habitable and 90% of the world population lives only 30, and in this area 90% population live in this 30%, and the 70% rest of the 70% it may be covered by the water, glaciers. In previous class we already studied about this. Approximately 71% area covered by water and 29% but it is approximately the number. So in this 30% area of the land covered by the earth's surface, and this 30% covered, 90% of the population live in this area. The remaining 70% of the land is either sparsely populated, either uninhabited, and the 70% it may be स्पेस और अनहैबिटेड. जो 70% है या तो स्पेस बहुत ना के बराबर पॉपुलेशन रहता है या फिर नहीं रहता है. प्लेन्स एंड रिवर वैली आर डेंसली पॉपुलेटेड एरिया. एंड विच आर पॉपुलेटेड एरिया? रिवर्स, वैली एंड प्लेन्स आर highly populated area. Highly populated area. In this area, in plains and river valley area, mostly people live in this area, and because of these are suitable for the agriculture. Why? Because these are suitable for the agriculture. On this other hand, steep slopes, waterlogged area are especially populated. एंड द अदर हैंड दूसरे एरिया में यदि हम देखें तो स्टीप जो स्लोप्स माउंटेन एरिया है, प्लेट्यू एरिया या जहाँ वाटर ज़्यादा इकट्ठा रहता है, वहाँ पे पीपल बहुत ही स्पैश रहते हैं, ना के बराबर रहते हैं. The uneven distribution of population in different part of the world is mainly due to the topography, climate and resource availability. और जो स्पेस पॉपुलेटेड या डिफरेंस जो रहता है अपना अनइवन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन रीजन फॉर uneven distribution of population is that due to topography, climate, availability and economic development of the region. जो रीज़न है वो पूरे वर्ल्ड में अनइवन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन पॉपुलेशन का, कि कहीं बहुत ज़्यादा डेंसली पॉपुलेटेड है, कहीं पे बहुत कम है या कहीं पर ना है. तो इसके पीछे रीज़न है ड्यू टू द टोपोग्राफिक शीट, मीन्स कहीं प्लेन्स एरिया है, कहीं रिवर वैलीज है या कहीं माउंटेन में प्लेट्यू है. तो ये कुछ रीज़न है जिसके कारण पॉपुलेशन. उसके बाद क्लाइमेट एंड अवेबिलिटी एंड इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट आर द मेन reason for the uneven distribution of population in the world. Now, next, the rugged topography, steep slope of mountain, low-lying area, susceptibility of the waterlogging desert area and thickly forested area are normally sparse populated uninhabited area or as area. This is the main reason where the rugged mountain topography, steep slopes, low-lying area, acceptable of waterlogging, desert and thickly forested area are normally space populated or uninhabited due to this reason. Now, second point, land use is. What are the uses of land? We know very well the uses of the land. First, for agriculture, to set agriculture. Second, to settlement. Now, land is used for various purposes like agriculture, forestry, mining, building houses, road and industries, etc. According to book, these are the main uses of the land. First, agriculture, settlements, forestry, mining, road, industry, etc. These are the main uses of land. Uses of land. First, agriculture, forestry, mining, building houses, roads, industries, etc. These are the main uses of the land. As land is used for varied purposes, become necessary to use as judiciary. To optimize the use of land is important to plan the use of land as per as characteristics. This is commonly termed as a land uses. Now, land can be divided into two sectors. First, can be divided into two: private land and community land. private land and community land. Private land means private land is owned by individual. This land is owned by individuals, where community land is owned by community. This is owned by community. It means private owner of the private land is individual person. It can be you, me, any name, any person, and community under the particular community either the government control.